guys. Good morning. It's like 5 something. Sorry mama. I'm sorry mama. I woke up like 5 a.m. and I woke them up by 5. She has just been so cranky. Like I barely slept last night because she's just been so cranky, and I don't even know. Oh mama, come on. So I have to get them ready for school. They're already having their baths, so I'll just. Oh, sorry, mama. I'll just try and feed her and then go check what Olivia them are doing. So if you're new onto my channel, welcome to my channel, and please go ahead and subscribe and click on the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. Yeah, so I'll be taking you guys through the day today. I'm going to be putting up our Christmas tree and every other thing I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be going to the Dollar Tree or wherever to get more Christmas decor, and then I'll be putting up my Christmas tree when Olivia comes back anyways from school, because she has been bugging me about putting up the Christmas tree, so we are doing it today. So you guys, Olivia has been bugging me so much about putting up a Christmas tree. Like since last month, she has been all over the place, and I told her to wait until we get into December and then I can put up a Christmas tree, and she was just, every day she comes back from school and she's like, are we putting up the tree today? I'm like, no, we're not. And so I'm just tired of her. So since we are now in December, let me just go ahead and put up the tree. So I usually kind of like wake up by 5 and then wake them up by 5:30, and they start, so they can start whatever they are doing, because these children, they can waste your time. They can be in that bedroom arguing and arguing and arguing, and sometimes I just let them do whatever, but most times when I want it to be quick or when I feel like it, I kind of like brush them and bathe them myself and then get them out of there ASAP. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe. Honestly, what are you doing? What are you doing? Huh?
In the bath. We're brushing.
You're brushing. It's taking so long.
We're trying to bring out all the dirt.
Please hurry up. Did you bathe properly?
Yeah, we just want to brush our teeth first. And then
You're still brushing.
We're trying to get out our germs.
Olivia, please, you should hurry up. I don't want to be late.
Okay, Mommy. Okay.
And this is... See how I'm putting on all the lights. Hi, Papa. Morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, Papa. Good morning. Okay, let me let you sleep. Okay. These children, am I the only one whose kids don't really like eating breakfast before school? Because I don't understand. So Tiffany even, like the small one I even tried to make, they don't even finish it. So Tiffany didn't even finish hers. So I'm trying to pack up their bag and they're just being so picky. I don't want this, I don't want that. I feel like they barely, like I noticed they barely want to eat in school, but then when they get home they eat a whole lot. So I'll just give them whatever they want, and then when they get home they will eat as much as they want to. So we're about to leave. Giovanni, you have to go up to your room, go sleep. So in the mornings, what I do is I take my time to clean out the kitchen. Like if I didn't clean it like all over at night, which I always do, but if I don't do it, any little other things, I just do them in the morning. Make sure the kitchen, this time when they are getting ready or when I'm trying to get them ready for school, I kind of like take that time to clean up, wipe down the whole place and just clean up, so that when I get back it will be easier for me to do whatever I want to do. So boy, oh boy, I need to be early so I can come back home early. Yeah. All right. Put on your seatbelts.
Are you ready for your flight? Flight time. Because we're going all the way to
I need to
Texas
drink water. Alright, first of all, let me put my music. Hold on. TT, are you ready? Are you ready, baby? Whew. The car line is, see, she going in. Yeah, every time I drop her, I always just watch from that mirror, from my side mirror, to make sure she's walking in. Because
when you don't look at the side mirror, I see her playing on the playground.
This Olivia is a silly girl. So you guys let me know. I mean, I've not edited this yet, but let me know if you enjoy this type of videos. Just let me know. Let your girl know. Let me know. Let me know. So you guys should let me know if you guys enjoy this type of content, like vlogs, you know, day in the life. You guys want to do a pro-co, you know what I'm doing, what I'm up to, and everything. I mean, you can't really know everything sharp, or you know, just a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Okay, and I'll keep it up. I'm trying honestly. I'll try to what is this man doing? Hope it's time for you to go. Today you have to. Yes, you have to leave.
No, I don't want to go to school.
You have to go. You have to go. You will go because I need to rest. All right, here you go. Come say bye to my camera and then you can go. Grumpy girl. Go, you grumpy girl. Bye.
Hey. Hey, it's like fake Thursday today. Is that your coat?
No.
Bye.
Bye. Grumpy girl. Oh, here I am at the dollar store. So let me just grab my things. And then from beginning, ouch. I don't know why this man in this car across me is just staring at me like what, I don't know. I beg. I am done from the grocery store. Sorry, from the Dollar Tree, and it's time to leave. Olivia has just transferred her happiness to me right now, so I'm really excited to go decorate the tree, but I'll have to wait for them, of course. I'll have to wait for her to come back from school so I can decorate the tree, because if I do it alone, Olivia will cry. I know her, she's so dramatic, so I'm going to wait for her. I'm be heading home. I'm getting excited now. She has put me in the spirit and the mood for Christmas, so all right, let's head home. I'll see you guys when I get home. So you guys, baby, I am back. How are you, honey? Anytime I say I'm going to the dollar store, please bring me back, because how did buying Christmas things turn to? Hold on, let me show you. This right here. Look at all that bag. Because and I need to be in the Christmas spirit, so I have to turn on my diffuser and all of that good stuff, so everywhere can be smelling nice. Yes, Papa. Yeah, this is how we do the school runs. Wow. Just cover your hoodie and move. That's. Hey guys. Yay! I'm so tired. So we are back, and
Hello, people. Today we're getting at our Christmas tree, and you can subscribe if you love this video. I'm gonna try to put thumbs up to my video for you. By the way, my sister is watching me. And she doesn't know that my name is Tiffany.
so guys, it's another day. I couldn't finish up the video, the vlog yesterday, so I started off today. I honestly don't know, I'm just tired. I just came back from getting something. I'm trying to put my house together for the holiday and all. So this is the Christmas tree over there. That's what I could do, and let me show you guys. Hold on. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't done that already, click on that red subscribe button down there, click on the notification bell, and share this video, like this video, leave a comment down below and tell me how I did in today's vlog, so I can give you guys another vlog. If not, I'm not doing another one. So thank you guys so much. I'm so tired right now. I just got back from getting something. I just went to get something. I'm trying to put my house together for the holiday, for work, and just for everything. I'm trying to like fix everything. So yeah, I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Thank you for clicking. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.